So in today's video, I will tell you how to put ad of products you want to sell on Facebook Marketplace via PC computer and on your cell phone Facebook app. So there are little bit different way of doing it on mobile phone and on PC computer. So I will show you right now. So I'm onto my Facebook page right now. And if you want to sell a product, anything you want to sell on Facebook, all you need to do on your PC computer, go onto this icon, the home like icon it's called. When you drag your mouse around this, you will see underneath it says Marketplace. So go onto Marketplace, and here on the left of your screen there are some categories. So the last option, selling, but below this it's called create new listing. Click on this. So after you are onto this page, you click on item for sale. All right, and here you add a photo of the product or item you want to sell. So add photos, and let's say I want to sell these chairs. So I can select 3 together. To select 3 of them together, you need to press a control key, and you keep pressing a control key, and then you can select 3 of them together and then click open, and 3 of the photos will add onto this photo category, right? And now you drag this page down, and here you can name the title of this item. So you can say office chair. This is a good name for this chair. And then here you can put a price, let's say $50. And here you can choose a category, household. So put it on household, choose this one. Okay, so just go down a little bit. Here is the condition of the item. You can choose maybe used like new, and description, you can add any description to this title. Let's say if I put office chair in really good condition. Okay guys, and then availability, that's fine. Color, you can black, and you can put some tags here. Office chair, computer chair, COMPUTER, computer chair, and maybe just chair. So the benefit of putting tags, that the people when search for the chair, these tag will help them finding a chair quickly they are looking for. And then here you put your location. My location is Melbourne, so I put Melbourne, and then you click. And if you want to hide this from friend, you can select this option. If you do not want to hide, just deselect it. If you want to boost listing after it's published, you select this, or if you don't want to boost, just deselect it. So I will select this option. Maybe I want to boost my sale, boost my item or listing. So now click on next, and here, so automatically the ad goes onto the Facebook Marketplace, which a lot of people can see, but there are a lot of groups which you can add your product onto. Ballarat, Victoria, buy, swap and sale, Melbourne Market, and then here Taylor's Hill, Caroline Springs, Wyndham Vale, Old Victoria, buy, swap and sale, Melton City, buy and sale, Bacchus Marsh, St. Albans, and then here this one, this one, this one. So you can also check the groups, what groups, how many members are in that group. So the most members in whatever group you have here, try to post your ad onto those groups so many people can see your ad. So I'm just showing you as an example. So I'm just putting this ad onto different groups. Here, this one, this one, this one, this one. So maximum 20 groups you can put ad into, and then after 20 you won't be able to add into any other group. This is the limit. Now you can click on publish. All right guys, and now your ad is published. And then if you want to see your ad, click on selling, and then here you can see your ad is here. So if you want to if you want to edit your ad, you want to change the price to a lower price, or you want to edit the description of this chair, or you want to edit the title, you click on this 3 dots and then click on edit listing, and then you can change your ad description, title and price in here. And then once you have changed it, just click on update and it will be updated. So that's how you're going to put an item for sale on your Facebook marketplace. All right. And then, so whoever is interested in your item, they will message you and you will get their message on your Facebook Messenger. So the Facebook Messenger icon is here. So if you want to see those messages sending you who are interested in your item, click on marketplace, and here you will see all those people who are interested in your items. Their messages are here. So for example, I put a elliptical on sale. So someone messaged me and this is what their messages are. And you can reply back to them that this is available and you can negotiate the price with them if they want to. So that's how you put ad onto your Facebook marketplace. So now I will go on to the cell phone for the item you want to sell on cell phone Facebook marketplace. I'm onto my cell phone right now and here I'm on my page. All right. And on this page, I will click on, if you look at the bottom of the screen in the middle, there is a marketplace icon. You click on this and here on the top left, you click on sell and then you click on item. And here you add photos. So let's say I want to sell this bed. I click on this and then I click done. And then here you put a title that bed in excellent condition. Okay, and price I put $100 like this. And the category is automatically chosen. So this is the best thing about the cell phone Facebook marketplace, that the category is automatically chosen. And here used like news condition is also chosen by itself. And here you can put the description that queen bed with bed frame in excellent condition. Okay guys, and now here you change, if this is not your location, then you can change the location by click on edit, and then more details, bed size, you can put, choose the size, it's a double bed. Let's say I choose double bed. There is no queen category here, so choose double. Bed type, you do not have to choose it if you don't want to, it's optional. You do not have to choose the color, that is also optional. Brand is also optional. And you want to hide it from friend, you can select this. If you don't want to, deselect it. And here list in more places, so click on this. And then again, same thing as I showed you on PC. A marketplace is by default, it's already chosen. And then now here you can select the different groups. So you can choose up to 20 groups. And then you click on done. And then click publish. And now your ad is active. And if you want to see your ad on your Facebook marketplace page, or if you want to edit it, you need to go to that page. So click on this person icon in the middle on the top right, just between search and marketplace icon. Click on this person icon, and here you go down a little bit, and under selling headings there is a heading called your listing. So click on your listing, and then here you will see your ad here, bed in excellent condition. So on the right there are 3 dots. Click on those 3 dots and click on edit listing, and then click on edit again. And then here you can add some more photos if you want to, and you can change the title of your item, you can change the price, and you can change the description, and then you can click save, and then your ad is the updated as ad is there. So this is it, guys. I hope you find this information really helpful, and people who did not know how to put ad on Facebook Marketplace on cell phone and on PC computer, now they would be able to do it by themselves. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.